Hello and welcome to Gadget Joe, and today we take a look at some sleeves. Sleeved cable extensions are often a quick and easy way to upgrade the way a system looks. Here we take a look at Thermaltake's TTMod Sleeve Extension kit. The TTMod Sleeve Cable Combo Pack comes in a small package with clear text and bright colouring, with lots of information on the back and sides as per usual Thermaltake fashion. Unfortunately, our box was damaged in transit, but it hasn't affected the product in any way, shape or form. In the box you get a host of cable extensions and a bag of cable combs too. The colour we have here is orange and black, although they can come in green, blue or red and black. Taking a look at what extensions you get, we have one 24-pin ATX cable, one 4+4 pin EPS cable, two 8-pin PCIe cables, and two 6-pin PCIe cables. You also get four 24-pin cable combs, 12 8-pin and 8 6-pin cable combs too. Before we go into more details of the cables themselves, let's take a look at the combs. The combs are made from black plastic and are sturdy and well made, so can withstand a fair bit of movement. To install it is as simple as lining all the cables up in a correct order and simply pushing the cables into the correct space on the comb. The comb will then hold all the cables in place with equal spacing and will allow you to shape the cables to how you wish. Now let's turn our attention to the cables themselves. The cables are very well constructed using 16 AWG conductor wires coated with a thick layer of insulation, all wrapped within PET plastic that is woven into 3 ultra dense layers, providing a very stiff and yet flexible cable extension that means the extensions can be bent to your desired effect for easy installation and maximum aesthetic appeal. The insulating layer is also acid and alkali resistant, damp proof and mildew proof, so it should stand the test of time and use within your system with no damage. The TTMod sleeves also feature heat shrinkless cabling, meaning that you get a clean look and ultimate durability too. The connectors are all black and are pretty standard with the female and male connections on either end. Once you have connected your extension cable to your existing cables within your system, you can set to work on fixing them into place. Utilise the cable combs and move them up and down to create different bends and really add that extra level of customization to your setup. The simple yet bold design of the TTMod sleeves by Thermaltake, combined with the excellent build quality and components used, have awarded it our Gadget Joe Gold rating with 4 stars. Of course, as always, I will leave a link below as to where you can get your hands on your own, and if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you disliked it, give it a thumbs down, and don't forget to subscribe. And it's goodbye from me, and I'll see you in the next video.